Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to walk you out on a new project called Gaia Network Airdrop that is currently going on. So you're going to farm a point, which later the point will be converted to the Gaia Network token. So this is their dashboard. You are early if you are seeing it now, so get into it as early as possible. I'm going to post the link in the description below. Click on it and then you get started as soon as possible. Guys, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that it helps notify you anytime I drop a new airdrop. And like, share, and comment, because it helps the channel to grow. Thank you very much. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the dashboard. The link will be in the description below. Just click on it and it's going to take you here. So once you are here, you just click on it and say start earning. So it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. So you connect it and then sign in. And that's all. Now you're already in the dashboard. So the next thing that is going to ask you is you're going to get the note, which is very, very important because you'll be running a note on it. That's how it works. So this is your referral person. So you can join. So they are trying to confirm the referral. Is very important because you're going point for using the person that refers you. So I'm waiting for the referral links to confirm so that I can click on join. I don't know, it's taking longer than usual. Okay, I'm still waiting for it to get. So this is it. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. So the recommended one is base, so you can change it from here. So it's going to there. So now since you're in the dashboard, the next things to do is these are the few tactics that you can do that will get you some points. You can come here, you see the points, some of them. This is the history where you get the invites, the number of people that you get that invited that you get point from. So here is where the tax is. So the first thing you need to do is to click on connect the Telegram. So let me connect my Telegram so that you guys can see how it works. And I'm expecting it because you see it's completed. So once you comes up here, you're going to be able to see your points. So you see this is the points you've gathered. Now you have node point, which is very important because you've not downloaded the point. It's very, very important because once you download it, you'll be able to run the node on background even as you are doing the tax. It's very, very important. So you come here that says install node. You see it up here, so you clicked on it. So it's going to ask you okay, I'm still waiting to see where I'm supposed to okay, I'm not seeing. So guys, the most important part is to just do the tax. It's very, very important because that's how it all works in. So it's going to say to create and bind the wallets that you're going to create your node with. So don't forget, they will always update new taxes here. You can just come up, get the point, and farm the point. It's just as simple as easy as that. It's just easy as that. I'm going to find a way to see how we install the node because it seems that it involves a few technicalities. So I'm going to sort that one out and I'm going to post it very soon. But guys, we can just hop into it and start doing it as early as possible. Guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It helps the channel to grow. Thank you very much, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Hoping to see you next time. And as a disclaimer, this content is for educational purposes. Endeavor to always do your own research. Thank you very much. Bye for now.